Now that we covered how to create those pages, let's go to look at our funnels. So in our funnels, it's still in sites. I will be clicking on funnels, and I will be finding a lot of funnels. Some of them I created them, and some of them are already preloaded from OLSP. So in funnels, what you need to know is those are already done for you. Some of them are done for you, and some of them you will be having it. And as usual, all what I can advise you is to make sure that to copy or clone any funnel that you want to reuse. So let's go now and look at the MegaLink BizUp funnel, the one that everyone is using. Let's look at it. And as you see, we have a lot of squeeze pages. And for me, because it's already set up, if I click on any squeeze page, I go inside, I already have a domain inside. You see, my domain is already inside. So if I come and copy that one and I just go for, let me go here, click it, it will go and it will show the same one that is here. You see? However, sometimes when you reach here, you won't be finding your domain. Make sure to have your domain. So how can we do it? I will jump on another one. Let me jump on another one. Let me go back home. One that I still didn't do anything. Let's go for Magic Link Crisp. I think that one I didn't do it yet. See, do I have one here? No. Yes, great. So as you see, if you reach one of your squeeze page and you don't have a domain, what you need to do, the first thing, it's either go on settings immediately, select domain. I will click on my, let me go click on my drm.club, and I will just change the path. It will be my magic link. Now I will be calling it training. I will go to my media storage, to my $7 Empire. I will come here. I will click on my link. I will come and I will just paste it. Now I will show you what will happen. And then if I save, it goes back to my stats, and now it has my link. I can still change the path. So what I can do is come back to publishing, and I just magic link squeeze page 7, and I will call it training. Here we go. Update steps. And now I have a much better link to share if you want. If it's not that good, but still. So if I just copy that one, right click, copy, I open in a new tab, I paste it, and I go. And now it is there. And look, you remember when we spoke about the favicon icon? Look, it is appearing right here. You see, is there anything left that actually worked? At last, someone has unlocked, and this is my squeeze page. And this is what you need to make sure about. It's like it is there. The next thing, okay, so let's go edit it. You can go and edit it. And as usual, all what we have to do is to make sure that our form is having our referrer ID. How do we see it? I'm gonna just go through it again one more time. So I will click on that one. I will click on edit form. It will open, the form will open. And now I have it, and I need to double check that my hidden is pointing to my mega_id, custom.the_values.mega_id. Now I'm good to go, and I'm good to share that one. If I save it, oops. I can also update my SEO data. I go back, and now if you share that link, it will immediately go. You make sure that it is there. It is happening. It's going inside your contacts and it is going inside your uh, your OLSP account. Now, other than that, what I would suggest, if you want to edit any of those, any funnel that you already have, all what you have to do is to click on those, clone it, and then move it to the folder, to any folder. The same way that we've done in our website, in our forums or anything. So look at that. If I go to my $7 Empire, I already have my own funnels. So my mega link, I have it. So let's go mega link, blah, blah, blah. This is the auto webinar. And so if I click on the auto webinar, that one, I cloned it already and I have it. So you see, and I don't have my domain. I will go on publishing. I will go on settings. I will select my domain. Now I'm using the $7 Empire and the, let me call it webinar. Here we go. Save. So 70e-webinar. You remember, guys? So if I come and I open, 1 second, where is it? Okay, I have something else here. So if I come here and I could put $7, here we go, 7de/webinar, here we go. If I click here, it goes directly to my opt-in for that webinar. You see? And I have it. And if I try to just go exit, it has already that form that is there. So this is how I can do it. This is how you clone it. And also I can change that one. So let me just publishing registration page. I will change it to webinar registration. Here we go. And I update the step and I have it. Now it will go to the same. So let's just update that. It is updated. You see, it is there. So if I copy it, I come here. Here we go. It will come to the same place. Here we go. So this is what you need to know about funnels. Please make sure to clone those, to make sure that you have your own domain set up. And I will see you in the next video.